I'm a young Latina teen mom. I have so much to offer the world. I have so many dreams. My daughter is another reason for me to go after everything I want. I grew up in a really, really small town, so most of the girls sometimes get into just bad stuff. So I kind of knew that that was something that I didn't really want for myself. I always just wanted to leave and just go to somewhere bigger. And on my 18th birthday, I rushed over to a computer and I remember applying to Sephora. They hired me, they brought me on as a temporary cashier at the time. I had just got my own apartment. Everything was just coming together. And then about a month later, I found out that I was pregnant. And then I got scared. I just felt really isolated and alone since I knew I was gonna be a single mom. I couldn't confide in my mom just because I didn't want to disappoint her. I didn't want to disappoint my family. So I knew that I could go to my Sephora family and I confided in them. I spoke to my managers and I just told them, you guys, I'm pregnant. I just felt like, oh my gosh, they're gonna fire me. What can I possibly offer anymore? And she was like, Lily, you're fine. You have me, you have Sephora, you're fine. We're gonna take care of you. It was kind of an adult decision, but I did finally decide that yes, I'm gonna have a baby. Her name is Mila. It means gracious. She's just the purest little human. She loves watching me do my makeup every day just because she will sit there, just rub lip gloss on her lips for 20 minutes. So every time someone meets her, they're like, oh my gosh, she's just you basically, and just a tiny version. I've just seen myself go from this 18-year-old girl who is so scared and alone and insecure to this 22-year-old who is so confident. I work my career up and follow my dreams. I'm a talent coordinator. I help with the whole onboarding process, the training, education for all employees. I am a member of the Sephora squad. It's been really fun. It's been really rewarding. We get to build relationships with different brands. I would tell my 11-year-old self that everything's gonna be okay, that she's gonna do amazing things, and she's gonna teach girls to be confident, and she's gonna share her story with people and they're gonna feel strong enough to leave certain relationships. Really just work hard for your child and not feel like you need to put everything else on hold. Just focus on your dreams. Your dreams don't have to stop.